Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a sticker on Snapchat. So before you begin, first go to your App Store or Play Store, search for Snapchat and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now here, we'll go ahead and take a picture of this lens cap. Now to create a sticker out of this, go ahead and tap on this scissor icon here at the right hand side. Tap on this. And now you're going to go ahead and make an outline using your finger. Now once you do this will now create a sticker and will show you right here. You can go ahead and zoom in or zoom out using your fingers, and you can basically place it anywhere you like. So there you go guys, that is how to create a sticker on Snapchat.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.